Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us for USVI News. I'm Emily Matson. Positive cases of COVID-19 continue to decline all across the territory. According to the latest numbers from the VI Department of Health, there are now 95 active cases territory-wide, with 64 on St. Croix, 26 on St. Thomas, and 3 active cases on St. John. And as cases here continue to decline, Governor Bryan Jr. announced changes to the Virgin Islands protocols, COVID protocols, effective this week. It is a sign we're returning to a version of normal life after 2 years of the pandemic. And the new protocols here come days after the CDC says most Americans no longer need to wear masks. The new CDC guidance recommends masks only in places where high hospitalization rates threaten to overwhelm hospitals. And that's not the case in about 70% of the nation right now. It is a sweeping change from the CDC, as the agency had previously used infection rates as a metric for masking. But as less deadly strains become more common, hospitalizations are now the key metric. But here in the VI, a lot of the mask mandates remain in effect. The governor says masks are still required at public places like salons, grocery stores, and restaurants, but you can take the masks off while sitting at your table at a restaurant or bar. Masks are not required outdoors. Some of the other protocol changes here include events with fewer than 999 people do not need approval from the VI Health Department, so there's no longer also a moratorium on evictions, and all government employees must return to in-person work on Tuesday.
We're taking a big step today. We're not sure if we'd have to withdraw a lot of these restrictions back again, that we'll have to put them back in place. But we feel confident at this point with the amount of people that have had vaccines, the amount of people that have had COVID, that we can find a way forward and really try to start to get back to normal.